In this video, I'll show you how to configure single sign-on in the Copilot bot in Microsoft Teams. I have my Copilot already with the manual or custom authentication configuration. Here is the step-by-step process for what you need to configure the single sign-on, or SSO. Step 1. Configure app registration in the Azure portal, which it already did. For this, see my previous. I have opened my already created app registration from Azure portal. Authentication in Copilot, which you'll get from my channel. Checking my API permissions configurations. All my needed API permissions are available. Checking the expose and API configurations. Configuration of app registration is already done and available. Verification is completed. Open your Copilot from the Microsoft Teams channel. Here, I am disconnecting my bot from Microsoft Teams. To show you how to add it back to Teams, click on the Turn on Teams button. My bot is connected to Teams. Click on the Edit Details. Copy the app ID. Go to the Expose an API menu from your Azure app registration. Edit the application ID URI. It should in this format. API // Teams botted and replace Teams botted with the app ID you've copied from your Copilot Teams channel edit details screen. Save it. Create a custom scope if you've not created yet. As I have already created, let's open this. You can see the scope configurations. The next step is to add Microsoft Teams client IDs. Add these two client IDs one by one. From the Expose an API screen, click on the Add a Client Application link. Don't forget to check this checkbox. Repeat the same process for the second client ID. The next step is to add a token exchange URL in the Copilot chatbot manual authentication screen. The next step is to configure the token exchange URL for your Copilot bot. Copy the scope URL as shown on the screen and paste it on the token exchange URL required for SSO box in your Copilot authentication. The next step is to add SSO to your Copilot. Chatbot Bots Microsoft Teams channel. Open your Copilot details from your Teams channel again. Click on the Edit details. Copy the application client ID from your app registration overview page from Azure. Paste the application client ID in the AAD Applications Client ID text box. Next, copy the application ID URI as shown the screen and paste into the resource URI text box. Then, save it. The next step is to publish your Copilot. I am publishing my Copilot. This takes a couple of seconds. My Copilot has successfully been published. Now, open your Copilot from the Teams channel again. Click on the Open Copilot link. Now, Microsoft Teams is opening. Add your Copilot app to your Teams. Click on the Add button. My Copilot app has successfully been added to my Teams. You'll see this message, "Hello? To be able to help you, I'll need you to sign in." You may or may not see the Sign In button when you are testing your bot from your Teams. Same domain, but you don't worry. This is how it works. Nothing to worry about. You'll get a login button if you open this bot from a demo website. I'll show in a few seconds. Here, I am just testing my bot. I am opening my Copilot chatbot using the demo website URL. You can see a login button. The validation code has been generated. Copy-paste the validation code here. Thanks for watching this demo. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.